Whew. Time has finally came, folks. Got a new package in the mail. Got this package yesterday. Yeah, the box goes right here in all its glory. Now it's a pretty long box, so you guys wouldn't even be able to guess what it is. Like, we're about to be cooked this weekend, chat. Bro, peep this, bro. I'm in Durham, right? Look at the next 2 days.
God damn!
Yo, we are cooked on Saturday and Sunday. Mainly Sunday, bro, because it's gonna be snowing a lot. Like, look at this, bro. Heavy snow, man, on Sunday. And then next week it's gonna be like in the 30s. So, but today we got a little unboxing to do real quick. I'm gonna show you guys what I got in the box. Here we go, chat. Go ahead and show you guys in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Yeah, your boy has got some wrap. Bro, the Vette is so dirty, man. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna need a serious car wash after this snow passes by, bro, because good name. And also, I finally ordered some new ones. Can't wait to show you guys what those are like when they get here in a few days. Yeah, as y'all can see, man, we got the real carbon fiber wrap from TinyBot. My boy Hypercam2SS, the guy in the blue Camaro that you guys seen almost all my videos, he has told me to get this wrap. And what we're gonna be doing with the wrap is on the front lip. And I'm gonna show you guys a video of right now that I just got. Well, actually I got that front lip like a month ago, but I never put it on because I wanted to put the wrap on first, because we're gonna be putting the wrap on that. So I'm going over to my boy Onk's house tomorrow and put it on the front splitter, and I'm gonna put the front splitter on. Sadly, the taillights are not coming on time, so we are not gonna be able to put those on. But yeah, I can't wait to take these taillights out. I didn't get the ones I really wanted, but I got some cheap ones. Also, if it sounds like I'm sick, I kind of am a little bit sick. You know, my allergies be bugging sometimes. We're gonna be doing this stuff tomorrow. We got some other mods to be putting on the car too, because folks, we are going to be on break for about maybe 2 weeks because the snow is gonna be coming in the next few days, and then next week's gonna be really cold. So I don't know if any car shows gonna be happening still. Put this here, get y'all a little warm start. And yes, the car is still stock. I have not figured out what I want to do to it. If I want to move the mufflers, or if I want to just get headers. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Or just get exhaust. I don't know, man. It's a lot to do. See, these lights are so dull, but I gotta change these things, man. As you see, the side markers are on too. I don't know why my lights turn on automatically every time I turn on the Corvette. So I gotta go in here and do one of these numbers. And then it says this. I don't know what that means. I don't know how to fix it. It's annoying and I don't care. But yeah, front lip coming on soon, folks. I can't wait to put this on. I also really want to do a whole entire front bumper change, like with the hood scoop, like how the Grand Sports and Z06s have. I'll do that in the future later when I wide body the car. But anyways, folks, I'll catch you guys all tomorrow whenever we're over my boy CJ's house.
The next day.
Man, these damn pop-ups, bro. Bro, none of these pop-ups are true, bro. My tire's not flat and I don't need headlamps. But anyways, folks, we're heading out to my guy's house right now. I'll be there soon. Yeah, I got everything back here, as y'all can see. This is one of the last days before the snowstorm of 2026. Apparently it's gonna be a snowstorm. We're gonna get like a lot of inches of snow. Quick little pool. Knew it. I really gotta find a better spot for that, bro. It keeps falling down over there. But yeah, I'll tell you guys all whenever I get over his house though.
A few minutes later.
All right, boys. Quick pit stop. Had to give me some energy drinks. Shout out to my girl for, you know, telling me about this brand, Alani. Y'all go check them out. We got sheets though. R32. Boy, that thing clean, boy. I never seen that one before. I ain't kid. Yeah, I never seen it before. All right, though, folks. Next clip y'all see, I'll be at my boy Onk's house.
Let me get the goddamn.
Bro, hey! What the hell did bro pull up in, bro? This is not a Z01. This is not the C28. Not the Corvette. Definitely not. Bro, this dude was behind me when I was at Sheets, bro. Hey, it's a nice paint, though. Bro, what is the interior, dog? Shit, low-key mint, though.
Damn, niggas left the seatbelt on. Just live it.
Bro hopped out the car.
He saw you and was like, fuck the seatbelt.
But if you guys don't know, this is a Honda Prelude.
Coins and shit when I closed the door.
This how it was back in the day, bro. Back in 1980.
Got the change down there, all rusted and shit.
Oh my god, bro. No air fresheners. Oh, look, the old air freshener's still in there, bro.
But that shit lit up.
Let's go inspect and see what's going on in the garage. Hold up. Let's see through here. Get. He's whooping it. Hey, okay.
Door handle.
Okay. There ain't no door handle.
Look. 1, 2, 3, 4. I really hope that's not a fact.
Imagine.
1, 2, 3, 4. See?
Okay. Let's see here what we got here in the Unk crib. And green headlights.
Yeah. Huh?
Green headlights.
Yeah, the tape. It's on scratch it.
Fast guy over here. My boy B58 LMAO. Y'all follow him on Instagram.
Nah.
In the sunlight too. Dang, it's hitting. Crazy work.
7 bar.
I think it's clean, bro.
Ready to drift?
10 gears.
Move this shit! Oh, dusty.
Yeah.
You should have left it in the box.
Dang
Nigga,
it.
this shit dusty. Now I got to clean it.
Don't dust it off. Oh, I ain't expecting to get that dusty. Damn.
This nigga should have left it in the box, yo. This nigga
Oh my
that
god.
shit
No.
bad.
Hey, I got microfiber though. We can dust it off.
That microfiber dirty, nigga.
Damn, never mind. We put it back.
Look at this dude.
1, 2, 1, 2.
No.
Bro's doodle bob. Sheesh, glistening. See, that's real carbon, folks. I gotta be out.
You got a Honda Miata.
What the hell, dog?
Get out. Won't get.
Bro, put up in an antique. It's vibrating.
Damn, hinge is trying to jump out.
What do you revert, Terry?
What in reverse, Terry?
Vontae's first car.
Neck, bro. Why are you farting?
Why is he backing up like that, bro? What the hell? You finished?
No. Oh.
Where's he going though? His house is back that way.
Going to his girl's house to get some buns.
Oh my god. Yeah. Anyway, chat, we here at the Aunt Crib. Got a Camaro outside.
Would have usually rolled.
Let's see here.
Find it.
Oh, I see it. Hey, Boosty boy. Let's go and get them tools now. And I'm boarded now. Yeah, we got you wherever we want you. Y'all, this is Hypercam's second car right here.
Excuse me?
Boy, this shit is way too complicated to work on, bro. Ain't no way.
I don't know what the fuck I'm looking at.
Dead ass.
What is this? That is not an engine.
Oh, that's a catch can, I think.
No, I'm just saying this whole shit. What the fuck am I looking at? Where's the oil though?
Dead ass
Matter
though.
of fact,
It might be this back here. Yeah.
I don't damn know. Where's the coolant tank?
That's a good question.
Damn, I can't find none of that. But I can find it in my damn car because it's simple.
Where's the damn dipstick at for the oil?
Exactly.
I literally don't see
Even
it.
a dipstick?
Anyways, folks, this is the progress right here. We got one more piece to go. So we got one piece here. It's going like that. Something like that. Well, yeah, we finna do this one right now. So W-Unk. Let's go. Ah! There we go, chat. We all done. It's like,
Yep. Put it on like that.
Imagine, dog. Finished.
Nah.
Yes, indeed. We can roll on over here real quick. Chat. Here is the main part of the front splitter. Woo-wee. Looking very good. Very good. Y'all see better in the sunlight whenever.
Sun done disappeared.
Sun gone, y'all. It's about to be dark. They go to sunset over there. There you go, chat. This is the splitter together. But we did not have it on the car yet. We're about to put it on there now. Very good. Very good. Yes, indeed.
8:01 p.m.
Brother, y'all. People, time of day it is. The sky is right there. Well, we're almost done putting the front splitter on. We got it wrapped already, but we just had to take a break and fix something in the back. So front splitter about to go on soon. I'll probably update you guys later on whenever I put it on. But it's too dark out here to show you because, you know, LED light savings time. What time it is? You finally done, folks. It's finally on, bruh. Oh my gosh, dude. Bro, it took us so long to line this thing up, bro.
Man, I'm telling you, this nigga
Like an hour.
around like 5-10 times to make sure it's straight.
I literally had to, y'all can't even see it, bro, but I had to use this, let me push into the light right here. I used this jack stand to like act as a third person right here. Just to keep it held up, bro, so I could keep this part held up and then he could drill it in, but nope. That's a Mustang.
Over there.
That's a Mustang. Look at this, y'all.
Yes, sir. Yes,
That real carbon. That's the better one, better light. Good lord, my boy. Yes, indeed. And it's on straight too, bro. I was scared it wouldn't be straight.
Shout out to yourself because you was making sure that shit was straight.
Dead ass, but you put it on though.
I even started drilling.
You put it on though, so definitely big shouts to you and with the wrap. Damn, bro. Now I finally have a front splitter on. I wish it was daytime so I could show you guys, but yes, sir. The cosmetics. Taillights coming next, y'all. They'll be here by tomorrow, hopefully, so I can put them on. That'd be cool if I could put them on tomorrow. But all right, after that, maybe lowering bolts, and then we're gonna do headers. Lights out, folks.
The next day.
All right, folks. 10/21, Friday. As y'all can see, man. Yes, sir. Taillights should be coming in today. It said they're out for delivery. I'm putting them on at the end of this video whenever I get home from work. I'm about to go to work right now. So that's gonna almost complete the rear end. All I have to do left now is change these badges right here. But yeah, as you can see, here's the front lip right here. Yes, sir. Looking pretty good. You guys a better angle right now. Slight imperfections because of the screws, but you know, it's still fine. It looks better. I'm gonna put a picture on screen right now of how the ugly front bumper looks like that I didn't get. This is the best looking one right here, y'all. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys tonight, and then yeah, it's gonna be a snowstorm, so I'm gonna cover this bad boy up. All right, chat. Here we go. We got the box. Boys, it's time to get rid of these taillights, man. Just look at him. So bare, so ugly. Give you guys one last look at it. Let me go ahead and unlock the door real quick. Show you guys. Nah, I do not like it, bro. It is just not bright at all, dude. I mean, from this angle, it kind of looks cool. It's like the circle, but then like when you get up, it looks like trash. It's like illusion. So now I'm gonna have tinted side markers. The spoiler is carbon, and then we're gonna have tinted taillights. So it's all gonna come together well. Same with this right here, the tinted third brake light. Sir, first look though, chat. And the styrofoam. Okay, that's different. Okay, the first one. Here they go, chat. This is the AliExpress taillights. Take the plastic off real quick off this one. Doesn't even sound like it's the same size. Am I tweaking? I just dropped that shit. I mean, I guess it's the same size. Yeah, whatever this is, I don't know. I'm not even sure what this is, bro. I guess that's the LED relay or something. But I'm finna take the first taillight out. Yes, once again, link on screen. These are the AliExpress taillights. They actually don't look too bad. The LEDs, of course, so it's getting better than the regular ones. Come on, y'all. Anything's better than this. I just gotta figure out which tool I gotta use. Bro, look online of what it says to open up the C6 Corvette taillights. It says a T15. It's not a T15, it's a T10. Wasted like 10 minutes trying to find the right screw, bro. Anyways, folks, if you don't know how to unscrew taillights on the C6, and make sure the housing does not fall out, bro, because if it does, you'll be cooked. Yeah, I'm just bring this out like this. There we go, voila. All right, let me get an A. So I'm guessing this one goes on this side since it says A, and then B goes in the middle. So B's going in the middle, A's on the outside. So we're gonna try this one and see how it'll work. Damn, I was like, what is that going on above my head, bro? Yeah, anyways, peep the last sunset before we enter the blizzard era. Man, it's gonna suck. I'm about to unplug the housing, obviously, and then wire it somehow through this. So I'm gonna try and figure out how to do that right now.
A few moments later.
I'm telling you, bro, I got the worst luck. Everything I touch just breaks, bro. Fuck, dude. The damn clip on this side to take it out broke when I tried to take it off, bro. I don't know about this part, so I'm gonna look it up on YouTube real quick. I'll get back with y'all soon, man. Alright, so as always, every time I try and install a headlight or a taillight, I keep forgetting there's no bulb in here, and there's a bulb in here. So I'm pretty sure I have to intertwine these two together somehow. So I'm gonna figure out how to do that. This one's empty. Oh, Jesus. YouTube time.
A few moments.
Alright, y'all. I might be retarded. You have to unplug this, the regular bulb that is an LED, and plug this part in to that. So let me show you guys real quick. I'm gonna use this one as a little mock-up real quick. Alright, so you guys see how this one is, right? I plug this piece in to this thing right here. So this is what usually comes with the car. Obviously, this is what comes with the taillight housing. You know, that was in here. But you have to unplug this light bulb to be able to plug this one in. So with my knowledge, I'm pretty sure it will turn on now when I plug it back in. But I don't know how I'm gonna actually keep the plug in because the damn piece broke off, bro. Golly gee. And then I'm gonna have to put this is the LED relay harness thing jiggy that I'm gonna have to somehow figure out how to put in here. I can't just have it like dangling around, so I'm probably have to get some adhesive and plug it onto the wall. Go ahead and plug this in real quick and see what happens. Let me take this plastic off too. A little satisfying. Hey, hush right there. Hopefully these things fit well too, because y'all know how aftermarket should be. Alright, so it's not in there fully, y'all, as you can see, but moment of truth, folks. Ooh, okay, nice. Damn, G, 9-day difference. So this is the LED one and this is the other one. Nice, and these are the old ones down there, so damn, that looks nice. Sheesh. That's way better than stock, bro. W mod. Hopefully they don't look too ricey in daytime, but it should be fine whenever I finish all of them. But yeah, I'm about to put this one together, get some adhesive. Jesus Christ, brother. Alright, so that one's in, screwed in all the way. Now we're gonna do the rest of them. I'm about to do the outer ones first, and then I'm gonna do the inner ones, and then we're gonna see how it looks. But hopefully I can do it before the sun sets, because I want to see how it looks before the sun sets, and then at nighttime completely. So, are y'all moment of truth again? Okay, that one didn't work. I guess I plugged it in wrong. Oops. Okay, there we go. I'm weak, dog. Come on, just stay there. Okay, there we go. Alright guys, we got both of them in. 2 more left. Alright y'all, so sadly pitch black. I'm trying to do my lighting. It's sadly pitch black out here, so I do not know how I'm gonna do the rest of this video, but as you see, we got one on the right side and one on the left side. I tried to install this one right here on that side where it wasn't supposed to go. And I'm about to finish real quick. My hands are getting really cold. And yeah. Yes sir, brother. I kind of like that look. It looks different. I might just rock that look one day. But yeah, as you can see, new, old, new. Here we go, y'all. All right, chat. Man, after an hour of struggling in the cold, bro, we're finally done, man. Sheesh. Bro, that shit looks menacing, dude. Finally blacked out the taillights, folks. Finally. Sheesh. Nice, brother. Golly, dog. This shit looks so nice, man. So much better than the stock ones, bro. I'm gonna put the picture of the stock ones on screen. This looks nice, dude. I'm about to get a cold start on the Vette, by the way, because I have to start up, because this is the last day I'm starting up before the snowstorm, and then I won't turn it back on until probably next week sometime. Next week's gonna be below freezing. Well, I'm so cold I can't move. Finna go take the stuff in the house, warm up real quick, and then give y'all a little cold start, and then end out the video tomorrow whenever I show you guys how they look in daytime. All right, cold start time. Bro, keep this. Oh wait, bro, that's my phone right there, bro. Yes, chat, there we go. C6 has finally got 80% of the rear end renovation done. The badge right here, as y'all can see, that definitely needs to be fixed. Bro, I'm so sick and tired of that goddamn light turn off, bro. I have to keep walking over here every minute just to... Shit sucks, y'all. I really wish I had a garage, bro. It makes me so angry. But anyways, here we go, chat. This is how it looks right now, man. The C6 looks so menacing, bro. This is my favorite angle right here, though. As you see, this is what happens when you buy mods off of Alibaba or AliExpress. Pretty good, honestly, for $120. Some taillights, LEDs and everything. And the turn signals and everything should be the same. I'm gonna show you guys that real quick. Anyways, I'm finna head inside, y'all. It's getting too cold. But yeah, once again, $120 for these. Definitely a good buy. And later on down the line, I might get the Morimoto ones. I'll put the picture on screen of how those look. I'll probably get those because they look more cleaner, I guess you could say. Peace, this is Jack Ham. I wish. All right, I'll catch you guys all soon.